Hello everybody and welcome to CNATT channel. In this video, we'll show you how to delete Windows.old folder in Windows 11. After upgrading Windows, the old Windows files are moved to the Windows.old folder. Windows.old is a very useful feature from Microsoft that can help you restore your operating system to a previous version of Windows if needed. 10 days after upgrading your Windows, previous version of Windows will be automatically removed from your computer. But sometimes, when this folder is not deleted by the system properly, it takes up a lot of disk space. Deleting your previous version of Windows cannot be undone, and if you do, you cannot roll back to it. Due to file and folder level permissions in Windows, you cannot delete this folder by selecting the delete button. We teach you two methods. If you could not delete this folder with the first method, use the second method. Method 1. Delete the Windows.old folder using Windows settings. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings, or press Windows key I on your keyboard. In the Settings window, select System and then Storage. Select Temporary Files. Wait a few moments for the temporary files to be scanned. Check the box next to Previous Windows installations. If you don't see this option but still have a Windows.old folder, use Method 2 to delete it. Remove the check marks from any other file types that you don't want to delete. Select Remove Files button. In the dialog box, select Continue. After a few moments, the Windows.old folder will be removed. Method 2. Delete the Windows.old folder using CMD in Windows recovery environment. Due to file and folder level permissions in Windows, we do this in the recovery environment. Open the Start menu. Select Power. Press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard and then select Restart. The computer will restart in the Windows recovery environment. In the other videos linked above, we introduced you to the Windows recovery environment and several ways to access it. Select Troubleshoot and then Advanced Options. Select Command Prompt. If the account selection screen is displayed, select an administrator account and enter its password to continue. We use the RD or Remove Directory command to remove the Windows.old folder. In the command prompt window, type this command and press Enter. RMDIR space /s space c /Windows.old. Be careful to type the command exactly, especially the name and path of the Windows.old folder. Check the name and path of the Windows.old folder and type Y and press Enter. It will take a few minutes, please wait. Finally, close the command prompt window and select Continue to return to Windows. The Windows.old folder has been deleted. Thanks for watching the video. You can see more tutorials on our channel.